Humanoid robots are on the way and they're going to take us by storm. All of these companies have been trying to build compelling robots to work in factories for several years now. Which got me thinking, I've also been working on a humanoid robot, but not for work in factories. Rather, its intent was to give me the ability to control a robotic body and allow me to do dangerous things all from the safety of my own room. The idea was to use the cheapest parts that I could find so that I can make several robot bodies in order to give me the ability to have multiple chances at whatever dangerous thing I was trying to do, like, I don't know, fighting grizzly bear or something. That all changed when I posted my last video, and this guy commented, "This could be so big with that AI shit." I'd considered doing it later on, like in a year or so, but after seeing all of these cool autonomous robots performing tasks, I can't help but want a robot to make me eggs too, or brew me up a cup of coffee. So, I've decided to compete. By merging my idea of the VR robot with AI, I'm going to be joining the humanoid robot race. It's going to be challenging. It's definitely going to be challenging, but you only live once, and 80-year-old me would be disappointed in me not having tried. That, on top of it also being my childhood dream to have a robot friend, just, I don't know, helping me around my house and stuff. This would be a pretty cool way to make that happen. How do I intend on competing with these guys? LupeAi raised $71 million to produce their prototype robot, and Tesla is a ginormous company with some of the world's brightest minds. I asked myself, what do I have? I don't have a lot of money. A ways to go from being one of the world's best engineers. The strategic advantage that I have is you guys. Granted, the channel is small right now, but the ideas and the suggestions that you guys have been pumping out over the year that I've been doing this, that's more than enough to go and create a compelling product. So, I'm going to need your guys' help. I've created a simple website laying out a short-term plan, as well as a place for you guys to keep updated on the progress of the whole robot. But as a summary, the whole idea of this project is so that we can have a robot in our houses that does the things we don't want to do, so that we can focus on the things that we love. Now granted, the website is a little bit janky. It's just a landing page at the moment, and it's just so you guys get a little feel for what to expect over the next year. I am working on a better version of the website in the background, but you can check it out, link in the description. Alright, first step is the hand. The Digit robot only has a claw-like gripper, while Tesla and LupeAi focused on a two-knuckle design.
Wow.
We're going to do things a little bit differently. I'm going to focus in the short term all of my efforts on making a fully articulated human hand. That means being able to spread its fingers, three-knuckle design instead of two, and the ability to curve in your pinky. I don't know what it's called. Being able to bend your pinky and your thumb. I don't know if you can see it. See? Full hand, bend in. All this, as well as a fully functioning wrist, accompanied by torque sensors for each of the fingers, so you can tell how hard you're pushing on something, and tactile sensors, which is basically robotic skin. This will give us a more versatile grip relative to those just basic hands that they've built. The focus will be on making it affordable, reliable, and giving it as much potential long-term use as possible. You guys have given some great ideas until now, from tactile sensors, using potentiometers, and even incorporating AI into the project. I'd love to hear some of your ideas for what you'd like the robot to do, so you can leave it down in the comments and I'll check it out and see which ones we can focus on in the short term. I'm personally really excited to get it to make me like a roll of sushi or something. I'm so excited to get this thing rolling. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll get some updates out to you guys soon.